So, SpaceX AI slash X slash Elon Musk, whoever, just released Grockbot in the last couple of days, and everybody's talking about it at the moment. So, I wanted to actually put it to the test to see one, does it actually do anything that Claude and the other AI software can't do? And two, is it worth the extreme price that they are actually charging for it at the moment, which comes in just about twice the amount of the Claude Max subscription? So I wanted to put it to the test and answer all of those questions so you don't have to. First of all, what is Grockbot? So Grockbot is a new software that has been developed which lives on your desktop. So it's essentially an AI agent software. So obviously when you're using Claude and some of the other AI platforms, there isn't a native AI agent feature. They can be built, but it's not easy. They don't run 24/7 and they're not on their own server. So that is why Grok was created. It's pretty much the easiest answer, the most simple version of an AI agent that lives on its own server. So the way this works is once you've installed it on your desktop, you can set up agents for a variety of different tasks. And you can see in the example here that we have a chief, we've got sales outbound, we've got inbox manager, account manager, talent scout, expense manager. So all of these agents will be assigned their own task. You interact with them via a simple message service just like this one. So it's just an instant message. And they complete a set amount of tasks. They can complete it once every day or twice every day. They run on their own server. You can actually click in to their desktop and see exactly what they're doing, set them up with new tasks. And the great thing is you don't need to have your laptop on. So it answers a lot of cool questions, and I guess it gives people a simple version of an AI bot, but is it actually worth the money? Well, let's jump in and actually test it for ourselves. They do a really good job of selling it, and it's created a bit of a stir at the moment. But if we have a look at what this actually costs you, I'm obviously in Australia, and this is USD. So at a minimum, you essentially need Cursor Ultra. So it comes under the Cursor subscription as well. If you are already paying for that, then this will be included. But Cursor Ultra is $200 a month, or if you're living here in Australia, it's just over $300. And for reference, I'm currently paying around 160 Australian dollars for my Claude Max subscription, or just over $100 US, which I pretty much use for everything, including AI agents, which I have built on the Claude software. So is this actually worth it? Let's jump in and have a look. Okay, we are in. So this is the screen that you're going to be met with when you first sign into Grockbot. So I'm going to go next. It's going to give us a little bit of a sample and show us exactly what the functionality looks like. So the first bit, Grockbot has its own computer. This is kind of what I was speaking about before. Rather than operate on your actual desktop like some AI agents that we build using Claude and things like that do, and requiring you to, one, leave your computer on pretty much 24/7 if you want work done when you're not at the computer. And two, it actually accesses your live browser, obviously your live files and everything as well. Grockbot works differently. So it actually has its own virtual server or its own virtual computer where it can, yes, connect to your various accounts. You might want to sign into your Google Calendar as an example, but it has its own computer and it's doing its work there, which means it can work 24/7. You prompt it from your computer and you give it tasks from your computer, but it works on its own. Give each bot its own job. This is kind of what I was talking about before as well. You give each bot a clear set of instructions. That way it only focuses on that task. The cool thing is that they can collaborate though. So you can have two bots completing two separate tasks. An example, you might have someone that's managing your inbound leads, but then you have them collaborate with your outbound lead manager to make sure that, one, you're not doubling up, or there might be some sort of functionality that they can work on together. Okay, cool. So what do you use every day? Look, I don't want to get too complicated with this. I think we should just connect a couple of things. Maybe we say like Notion, Google Workspace. Cool, let's make our new bot. So as a test, I have an email that manages my brand deals for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, things like that. So let's call it Jarvis, of course. I mean, why not? and we get to make it look however we want. Maybe the cool little cloud, go the little pink cloud. Jarvis, we'll go get started. Cool, getting your team ready. All right, so now we have our first bot. And what we do from here is we actually ask Jarvis what we want it to do. So previously sent emails. So we're going to put that in. I'm just going to copy it real quick because first I'm just going to plug it into my actual Gmail account. Okay, so just for reference, I've quickly authenticated that. I basically just clicked connect Gmail and selected the Gmail account I wanted connected, and then I've just authorized it. Cool. So now we're just going to send that message. I'm going to send it through and we'll see what it comes back with. From what I've heard, it is fairly fast. Here we go. So on it, I'll pull your usual rates from the sent email first, then go through the inbox, drafts, and anything waiting on a reply. So the cool part is that not only can you watch the bot complete the tasks if you're having it, say, complete tasks in browser or on its own desktop, but you can also teach a task. So you click this button up here and you actually record what task you want completed. Maybe it's sifting through data or filling out forms or something of that nature, and then it's actually going to be able to repeat that task. You can show it exactly what it needs to do. So pretty much everything, it has responded to everything here. I'm obviously going to blur a bit of this information out, but what it's done is it's gone through all of my sent emails. It's found emails that I've already sent out. It's found my rates. It understands what I charge for specific brand deals, and now it's actually going to draft responses and send them if we want as well. And it's asking me right here, do we want to send them all, just draft, or just a specific deal that I have going with one company here. So I'm actually going to be able to respond to that. And then from there, if I wanted to say, I just want a task set up for you to check over this account every 24 hours, starting from now, you should automatically respond to any new inquiry and any existing deal. Give me a summary each time so I know what has been responded to and whether there is any action required on my end. So you can just have that set up, and then you're going to have a task that runs every 24 hours and you don't have to do anything. So this is a cool way that you can set up very easy bots without going through the trouble of installing it onto your actual system, having your system running 24/7, and jumping through the hoops that it usually takes to set this up with another platform. But this leads me into my next question. Is this actually worth it? And is this something that I am going to continue building on and paying for? For me personally, no. I'm not going to be using this moving forward because I think it does answer a very simple problem and it provides a very simple solution to that problem. But what I understand is moving forward, other AI companies are going to quickly come to the table with this, and very fast this price is going to get a lot cheaper, and this simply is just going to be something that every other AI software provides. And with everything that I've already built ongoing with Claude and the other businesses that I have managed and ran through my Claude account, it just doesn't make sense for me personally to jump over and start using Grockbot for other tasks when I already have systems set up for all of these tasks already. So it's not going to be something that I would recommend for myself moving forward, but would I recommend it for some people out there? Then yes, I definitely think that this does make sense for some people. It just depends what systems and processes you already have in place from an AI automation perspective. If you don't have AI agents already set up and you just want a simple solution and you're willing to pay for it, then I think this does make sense for those select people. But this is really, unfortunately, only going to be something that is a very small market of people can actually afford to use. If you look at what $300 a month actually costs, it's quite extreme, especially from an AI standpoint. it doesn't really make sense. It's not really going to be appealing to the masses. Let me know if it appeals to you guys, if this is something that you are already testing out or are planning to test. I'd be interested to see what you guys build with it. But for me personally, I think what you can accomplish with Claude far outweighs what you can accomplish with Grok. I think it's provided a solution to one of the many, many problems that you can fix with AI and one of the many things that you can build with AI, but it doesn't provide a solution to everything, and it doesn't function as a general coding system like other platforms such as Claude Code. Anyway, if you guys are interested in learning more about AI automations, how to automate your life, your business, or you want to start your own AI agency and start actually earning by building automations into businesses, then check down in the description. I've got a school community that has a ton of breakdowns on exactly that. You're going to be able to buy back at least 20 hours of your week, and I guarantee you'll be able to sign your first client. We've already got a couple of members that have signed their first clients in the last couple of weeks, and this community has only been running for 30 days. So what I think we're going to be able to accomplish it with this community moving forward, I think is amazing, and I'd love to see you guys in there. I've got a free trial going at the moment, so I hope to see you guys in there. Message me any time, and let me know if you came from YouTube.